Hi guys, this is typically how women rate men in order from least important to most. Let's go. Number 6, attractiveness. Women can date and actually even marry men that they're not attracted to. Yes, we understand that attraction is important, but we also understand that it's not the end all be all of being with someone. This is why you often see unattractive men with attractive women. And yes, you do see unattractive women with attractive men as well, but you won't see it near as much if he has other options. Women are visual, but nowhere near as much as men are. Number 5 is how big he is. Women don't care about this and nearly as much as men actually think we do. So size and being good in bed are two totally different things. And luckily for men, if you're lacking in either one of these areas, we can actually deal with either one. Women are more emotional creatures. Men are more physical creatures. That's why men complain that we talk too much and women complain that men want it too much. If you're a man and you're serving in other departments, this won't make or break too much for a woman. Number 4 is what you do for a living. So a woman will be interested in what you do for a living because it determines what type of lifestyle you're able to afford, which is ultimately what type of lifestyle she'll be able to live. What you do for a living lets a woman know a lot about your personality, capability, how successful you've become, where you're headed, etc. Number 3 is, are you good for her image? So do you make her look good? Are you good for her social status? Do you carry yourself well? This is where possessions you own come into play. What kind of car do you drive? What kind of shoes and clothes do you wear? What about your appearance? Are you well put together? A lot of men may think that their career will fall into this category, but it doesn't. So women can deal with a man who doesn't have a brag-worthy job as long as the money from that job is providing her the kind of lifestyle that she wants. So women don't brag about a man's career near as much as they brag about what that career has bought them. So ultimately, the silent question here for her is, are you worthy of bragging to her family and friends about? Number 2 is the level of neediness and dependency. So women don't like a man that's dependent on her and that's not self-reliant. Independence is a major key in how women rate you. Independence lets her know that no matter what, you're gonna be okay and that you don't need her, you want her. And golden number 1 is personality and traits. How strong are your fatherly traits? How do you deal with stress? Do you snap or do you push through? How trustworthy are you? Are you a liar? Are you sneaky? Are you attentive to her needs? Are you reliable? Do you make her feel emotionally secure? Y'all, women are suckers for how you make them feel. If you serve in this area, all other areas will be minute. All other areas will be that less important. And yes, it will vary from woman to woman slightly because we're all different. But generally speaking, if you have a woman that puts more emphasis and more importance on like how you look or what you do for a living rather than your personality and traits, that's not the one for you, puppy. But no, on a serious note though, this is typically how women rate men. Not saying it's fair, but just I'm gonna always give you guys the honest truth. That's what you come to my channel for. That's what you watch my videos for. So until the next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye.